Our last job of the day is going to require a little bit of welding, a little bit of fabricating. We're going to add a piece of 4-inch channel right here. It'll more or less work like a wall. So when the slabs come off the cant onto the drop belt, see where it's got a wall right there, they won't just slide off and get all twisted and whatnot. It'll hit that channel and kind of keep it onto my belt, keep it down the line. Let's go get some metal.
I said 4 foot, that's a little over 4, but it'll still be close to an inch from the end.
Get the old welding truck in place. Dodge Ram. It's the only time I'll ride a goat. Some days I have to work. Almost spoke too soon. Let's try this again. Come on now. Nothing like American muscle. Just can't wait to be on the road again. Look at that right there, that lumber getting loaded up. We're sending that off to get treated next week. Do not do any treating on the mill yard. We send every bit of it off. You guys really ain't supposed to be in here, but I think I can make, you know, special circumstances. See, we've already got our piece in place. It's going to take some old 7018 and weld her on down and we'll be done so. As you can see, we got our piece in place and welded down. Should work perfectly for a little wall. Keep my slabs from sliding off. We're leaving the carriage area. See, we got our carriage work done. We got her lined up straight, you know what I'm saying? We got our dogs all sharpened up, took care of our dogs. We put us a little wall, keep our slabs from sliding off. Saying a simple maintenance, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. There was a little bit of simple maintenance, but it's all done. It's gonna wrap me up for Friday. Not really. I'm sure I'm gonna find something else to do, but like I said, you know, hit that like, hit that subscribe. I really do appreciate y'all. You know, we just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is small to some, but that's huge for me. There's a Billy Bob from Florida, and the fact that there's 1,000 of y'all that, you know, find my channel cool enough to watch and subscribe to it, I really do appreciate y'all. And I wish y'all a good weekend, and just keep on keeping on, leaving that blue collar little dollar, and spend some time with your family. God bless. Peace. We out.